Here's the iPhone 16e. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is turn the phone on, press and hold that power button until it boots up. Once it boots up, you should be at this welcome screen here. From here, we're going to swipe up from the bottom like that. Then go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English. Select your country or region. I'm in the US, so I'm going to tap on that. Appearance, you want to leave it on the default. You want to go to medium here or large. I want to go with medium here for myself, and I will tap on continue. Here's quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. You can do that, or you can go ahead and set up manually. For myself, I'm going to set up manually because I'm going to do a whole new fresh install on this phone here, okay? So set up without another device for myself. And I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi network to see if there's an update. So let me go to my and input my Wi-Fi password here. After you put in your Wi-Fi password, we're going to tap on join down there, or you can click on join up there. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone, so be patient here. And we do get a software update. Important bug fixes available for this iPhone. We can do it later, we can do it now. I'm going to go ahead and do it now, so I'm going to update now. Go ahead and read through the terms and conditions, and if you agree, go ahead and tap on agree down there. Now it's restarting. We get a progress bar here now for the installation. Data and privacy, go ahead and read through that and then tap on continue. Set up iPhone, you want to set up for yourself or a child in your family. For myself, I'm going to set up just for myself. Face ID password, you can set this up now, or you can set it up later, or set it up later and never do it. It's up to you. For myself, I'm just going to set this up later. Asking me to create an iPhone password. So let me choose something here. Once you put it in once, it's going to ask you to reconfirm one more time. Confirm one more time. You can transfer your apps and data. Get your existing apps and information like your photos, notes, reminders onto your new device from your old device. And you can do that from, if you have an iCloud backup, from another iPhone, from your Mac, or even a Windows PC, or from an Android phone or tablet, all right? But for myself, this is a clean install for me, so I'm going to click on Don't Transfer Anything. Asking for your Apple account, your Apple email, and I don't know my password right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip this part. I'm going to tap on Forget Password or Don't Have an Account. I'll tap on that. And then I'll just tap on Set Up Later in Settings. Update your phone automatically. You can continue or only download automatically, up to you. For myself, I will tap on Continue. iMessage and FaceTime, go ahead and read through that, and you can continue to do it, or you can do not now. For myself, I'm going to do not now. I'm not interested myself. Turn on location services. Go ahead and read through that, and you can turn on location services, or you can set it up later. It's up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and turn mine on now. Set up Cellular. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby iPhone or scan a QR code provided by your carrier. For myself, as a new phone, it's going to get a new number, so I'm going to get a QR code from the carrier later on. So for myself, for now, I'll put Set Up Later in Settings, and I'm going to skip this eSIM part. Of course, after you've done the setup, you can always go back to the eSIM after setup. Screen time, you can get weekly reports and insights about your screen time and set time limits for apps you want to manage and so on. And if you want to do that, tap on Continue. Or for myself, I'm not interested, so I'm just going to tap on Set Up Later in Settings. iPhone Analytics, read through that. That's up to you. You can share with Apple or don't share. I'm fine with sharing with them. Same with App Analytics. It's optional. You can don't share, or you can share with app developers. For myself, I will share with them. You want light or dark display, okay? Or you want auto, all right? Most of you guys would probably just go, I'm just going to go with the dark myself. Most of you guys would choose that one, and I will tap on Continue. Apple Intelligence, go ahead and read through that, and then tap on Continue. Visual Intelligence, read through that, tap on Continue. You can customize your action button, which is that little tiny button up there. For myself, I'm not interested, so I just tap on Not Now. And here is Siri. We can go ahead and set this up now, or you can set up later in settings. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and do it now, so I'll just tap on continue. And I think I want this. Was it this one?
The colors of the
yes,
sky
this
fade
one
with
here.
the setting sun. As the
I'll
stars
continue there. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Okay, Siri is ready. And you can see iPhone will listen to for like Siri. You can say, hey Siri. And from here, we'll tap on continue. Improve Siri and dictation. That's up to you. You can share all your recordings or not now. For myself, I'll just put no or not now. Emergency SOS. Go ahead and read through that. And you can see all the features here. Even the first one here. If you press and hold the side button, which is the power button, and either of the volume rockers to make an emergency call. So read all that, then continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started, and boom. Looks like we are in business. Pretty simple.